In this expo, display our one of the recent and innovative products which has been very recently launched. Each and every year, SMC is spending tons of money on introducing the new product. This year, we have come up with many new products, and in this expo, we would like to explain each and every product individually. And these are very exclusive products, and so it might be definitely useful for your product. Raghavendra Chemicals, they are one of our valuable channel partner for a year. They have the branches in Chennai and Hosur, and they are still growing. If you have further any doubts or any requirements, you can contact Raghavendra Chemicals. And welcome you all. Today we are at the Industrial Machine Tools and Technology Expo happening in Hosur, which is one of the growing cities in India. We are here to exhibit our SMC product. First of all, what is SMC? SMC is basically a Japanese company established in 1959, and it's world's largest manufacturer of pneumatic components, having annual sales of around $6 billion. SMC has developed a vast variety of pneumatic components to meet the needs of application in the industries. SMC has established a widespread of global network in all major countries of America, Europe, and Asia, showing our active commitment to the market. We have high level of technical service and strong communication to meet all customer needs and expectations. SMC India's 4 state-of-art manufacturing facilities, 2 in Noida, 1 in Chennai, and 1 in Ahmedabad. In India, we have 87 dealers across the India. There are more than 20 branch offices. SMC has 12,000 basic product and 7 lakh variations. SMC starts after compressor in the industry. That is, we have airline equipments, then valves, actuators, and others. What are airline equipments? Anything after compressor, that is mainline filters, it may be a reservoir, it may be the tanks, it may be the dryers, it may be FRL, that is filter, regulator and lubricator, the valve, then next comes the actuator, then next comes the other. This is our existing air booster, and this is the updated low air consumption energy booster. What is the difference between the two is, here the air will be exhausting twice. It is nothing but it works under the piston principle. The air will compress this side and you will get the pressurized output outside, and after the completion of this cycle, the next shifts to the next cylinder and air compress this side and you will get the output. So continuously there will be 2 outputs. Okay. But so you are getting twice exhaust, you are getting twice. But in this updated low air consumption energy booster, how it happens is that one exhaust is being connected to the next cylinder. So when the air compresses, that air will be fed into this. So the compression of this cylinder may get reduced, so load will get reduced, and so the energy will be saved. How much energy we are saving is 40% of the air is getting air consumption is being reduced using this energy saving booster. Now we can see the live demo. This is our old model, which is existing model. You can see here. Now for the compression up to the 6 bar, the air consumption is 20 LPM. 20 liters. Now we are going to see the updated energy saving air booster. You can see it. We are done. Now for the completion of the cycle, it consumes only 12 liters for the same air and same volume. So the difference is 80. That is 8 liters. So this is 40% reduction from the old and the new model. Basically, electrical actuator are the products which is existing in the market. What is the difference between that and this product? Here, basically we get the feedback for the actuator through the encoder. There are 2 types of encoder, that is absolute encoder and another one is incremental encoder. Here we have shown the difference between the incremental encoder and batteryless absolute encoder. What's the difference between the two? In the incremental encoder, whenever the electrical actuator stops at the mid position or any of the positions, then you have, while the power goes off or the operation interrupts, while starting it back, you have to push it back to home position, and again you have to give the start signal, so it starts from the home position. But in this batteryless absolute encoder, what it happens, whenever the operation has been interrupted or there is a stop in between the operation, it The batteryless absolute encoder saves, it memorizes its position. So whenever you are starting back, you can give the start, then it starts from the position where it stopped when the operation has been interrupted. So the cycle time will be saved, and the process you will get a seamless interruptionless operation. This is our electrical rotary table, continuous rotation. Generally, there are rotary tables with there will be 180 degrees, 280 degrees, 270 degrees. That's the operation. But we came up with LER, our rotary actuator, which gives continuous 360-degree operation. You can see here the operation is 360 degrees. So you can the position repeatability is plus or minus 0.05 degrees. Maximum number of positions you can set is 64 points. It's up to your operation. Then there is a shockless high speed actuation, which gives you 420 degree seconds maximum speed, and acceleration is 3000 degree per second square. That's the maximum acceleration you are getting. Then the beauty of this product is that the power consumption has been reduced to 40%. This is the advantage of this rotary actuator. This is the latest updated version. It works under the pure electrical, no pneumatics. Why we are updating from old to this version is that the electrical, that power consumption which you are getting is 40%. Comparing to the older version, this version gives you 40% lesser power consumption. That's the beauty of this product. We are going to see our EQ series product. What is the advantage of this product? Generally, in the normal pneumatic cylinder, you will use the two position. That is, one is single solenoid, 5x2 single solenoid, and 5x2 double solenoid. The next valve method is 5x3 closed center. This actuator, which acts in the same position electrically. This single solenoid, you can give the one input, it goes, and when you cut off the power supply, when you cut off the electrical input, it will come back. In this double solenoid, you have to give the pulse once, it goes, then you give the return pulse, it will come back. Then this closed center mode, you can stop this actuator at any position in between. In signal, it goes and it stops wherever you want. Then you give the next signal, it goes. Then you give the return signal, it comes back. That is the advantage of this product. It is a simple step follows for the immediate use. It has an integrated controller inside. So you don't need to put any external controller for this. It comes with the integrated controller. You directly connect to the system, and you don't need to do the program also. It is a programless controller. You don't need to put any external two-position stop with no programming required. That's the beauty of this product. Just to select the operating, you just connect to the system and select the operating mode, double solenoid. Then automatically it sets. Then you have to set the setting, whatever the position you want, whatever the speed you want, you can set all those things here. Then once the setting complete, you just use the operational button, it starts operate. The beauty of this product is that you can even mount the auto switches in this. You can place the reed switches. So it gives the extra safety also, for protection also for your system. This is the beauty of this product. Then by using the standard or typical electrical actuator, how it varies is that you can reduce 59% of the CO2 emission by using this product. That's the beauty of this product. And it is the newly launched product. Visit our next product. This is DAS. Why it is called as DAS? This is a deceleration controller. You are controlling the cylinder speed while it is decelerating, which is while it is coming back. In the normal flow controller, what you will do, you just connect the flow controller at the left side and right side. So the flow can be controlled only, the speed can be controlled only to one speed. At a time you can control only one speed. But what is the beauty of this DAS is that you can control the position and the speed. This blue color knob, by controlling this, you can control the position of the cylinder from where the speed deceleration has to be controlled. So this gray color is used to control how much speed from that position this actuator has to move. So what is the advantage? The normal flow control, if you have to increase the decrease the cycle time, it can be done by only one point and one position. But here, how it happens? Here you can control the speed fully. You can leave the position of the cylinder till this extent, and from here you can control the speed. So you can increase the cycle time. How it is? From this position till this position, it travels in a speed way. From this position, the speed get reduced according to your setting. This is the beauty of this product. This is not only you can use for the rodless cylinder, you can also use it for the normal pneumatic cylinder. This is the position, that is the blue knob. You are adjusting the position, and this red line shows the intensity, that is the speed of the actuator which you have to control. This is how this operation works. And here you can see the drawing of the pneumatic schematic drawing, how you have to connect. If you have to connect the same line with the same operation with a different valve, then you need very complex circuit. By using this DAS, the circuit is very limited, and you can control the speed and position of the cylinder Precisely. This is the usage of this product, and this is really a very good product. Next, we are going to look into the very beautiful product. This is very recently launched. It is called as water separator. I will explain how it works and what is the usage of this product. We call it as an elementless water separator. Why? There will not be no element inside, no cartridges inside. So this is absolutely maintenance free. This is quit and forget product where it doesn't need any maintenance, and we can do with the auto drain option also. So when whatever the water get collected, it drains automatically. This is basically a water separator. It separates only the water. It separates up to 99% of the water which is going to which is coming through the inlet air. How it works? It works under the normal centrifugal force principle. Whenever the air comes, the air starts circulating in the centrifugal method. So whichever the water droplets reaches to the particular point, it drops down and it gets collected in this bowl. This auto drain, one point of time, it automatically opens and it gets collected in a tank or basket, whichever the option you are doing. Here, the beauty of this product is it comes with the auto drain and without auto drain also. Normally closed and normally open. This product saves maximum of the water consumption in entry in your system. How it is useful is that generally water separator will be given as in the main line, but here you can inaugurate or integrate this water separator with the FRM. The implementation becomes simple, the assembly becomes very simple, and moreover the life of the product gets extremely high. So the greasing out and the other lubricants can be saved by removing the water droplets from the main line. So this is the product, and it is really a beautiful product which has to be incorporated in all the machines. Next, coming to the energy saving, this pulse flow valve. This is a next important product which saves the huge air consumption. Generally, in the companies, the maximum of the air will be consumed only for the blowing, and this he comes up with the new product that is called pulse flow valve. You can see the operation now. Normal, typical existing 2x2 valve which we use. You can see the flow. It is a blowing application. Here the air is getting blown. For the particular time, for the particular blow, the air consumption is 16 liter. Now, this valve has been connected with our pulse flow valve. You can, now I am switching it on. Here you can see there is the intermittent blowing of air. See, it goes, blows and come down, blows and come down, blows and come down. So, you can see almost there is 40% of the air consumption is being saved. So, the air consumption can be reduced to the compressor, usage of compressor will be reduced, and it is absolutely energy saving. Also, it is absolutely money saving also. This is one of the beautiful products. This is called pulse blowing valve. Now we are going to see about our energy saving vacuum ejector. Now I show you the operation, how it works. Generally, this is the normal vacuum ejector. You can see I am switching it on. There is a vacuum is being generated. Once the component has been picked, you can see the air is blowing here. Air is continuously blowing here. So this is the old. This is the previous model, old technology. Now we are going to use our energy saving vacuum ejector. Here you can see it is start on. Once the operation starts, and when component is being picked, you can see the air consumption stopped. So still you give the next cutoff signal, the air will be stopped. So the component will be picked and it will be going. And wherever you have to drop, you have to give the cutoff signal. So it will drop. There are two valves here inside there. There is only supply valve, another is cutoff valve. The supply valve helps to create the vacuum and to apply the vacuum. And cutoff valve, once you trigger the cutoff valve, it leaves the object, so it drops at the particular position. So that whenever the component is being picked, the air consumption stops there, and the inside air will hold the component. And when you give the cutoff valve, when you trigger the cutoff valve, it drops the component to the particular area. So the air consumption is 90%. Comparing to the old model, this new energy saving vacuum ejector saves you 90% of the air consumption. This is the beauty of the product. The weight of the existing product is just 81 gram, which is 59% less comparing to the old product. And the volume is also 88 centimeters square, which is 28% less when comparing to the old product. So this is our ZK2 series energy saving vacuum ejector. We can do this in the manifold option also with D-sub connector and other protocols, whichever you want. Here there are main element is there is a vacuum switch, and here there is supply valve and cutoff valve. You can use it as a manifold also, so you can control through only single wire. This is the beauty of this product. Most advanced product, that is IO-Link compatible products. Generally, there are different protocols, that is CC-Link or Ethernet or EtherCAT or Profibus or Profinet. This is the IO-Link compatible products. What is the difference which it's going to make comparing to the other protocol products? Here, you can see IO-Link compatible products can be connected with any protocol by using this IO-Link master. By using this IO-Link master, you can connect, for example, CC-Link, you can connect Profibus or Profinet, whichever the protocol you're using. You are connected with using this master, you can communicate to our IO-Link master. So the program can be done directly and communication will be a single channel communication. This is the beauty of this product. If your product is compatible with IO-Link itself, so you can directly connect that product to this IO-Link. So you don't need of any master. So the IO-Link will be directly connected to the IO-Link master, and these are the products which are compatible with the IO-Link. Here we have shown you just for the demo that it has been connected with a single PLC. The PLC is backed. Everything is IO-Link compatible. So directly it has been connected with the PLC using a single channel. This is the actuator with the position sensor. You can see this is the sensor which measures the position. So you can measure the different position of the workpiece or height of the workpiece, that is 10, 15 or 20. You can measure any height using this position sensor. We just shown here for a demo. This is the beauty of this product. The next generation we are going to increase the usage of IO-Link products as it is very advanced. SMC is meant for its continuous innovation. Every year we are launching almost 50 to 60 products every year, and we have exclusive R&D division. Here in this stall we have come up with a new innovation products, and I will show you what are the products. This is our electro-pneumatic regulator. It is nothing but a proportional control valve. Based at the input signal, that is voltage or current, whatever you are doing, it gives the proportional output to the input signal which you are doing. This is one of the new products. This is a bellow type gripper. We came up with a slide that is low profile air gripper, and this is beauty. You can, this is a multi connector. You can use pneumatic as well as the electrical. You can see here it is a 4-pin M4 pin connector, and you can take it back. So you can use it as a electro pneumatic. You can connect the tube also, and you can connect the wire also, cable also. This is the manifold type valve, and this is the DAS which I shown there before. This is the DAS, that is deceleration controller. This is the knob which is used to control the position. This is the knob which is used to control the speed. And you can use it L and R also. You can use it if you want only left side, you can use it separately. If you want only right side, you can use it separately. It can be used for the normal cylinders also. This is linear and rotary actuator. It moves linear, also it gives the rotary position. So this is one of the new products, and this is our serial interface. This is the crimping cylinder, but it exists for a long time. And next is this is the energy saving vacuum ejector which we have seen before. Coming to the next, this is the vacuum blow. It has been launched very recently. Wherever you have to suck a burr or debris, whichever you want, you can use this product. How it works? It comes along with the vacuum bag also. So you can suck it and collect it through the vacuum bag, and you can dispose it, and you can replace the bag again. So it is used mainly in the machining area. Wherever the machine tool industry, it can be used. And recently we are selling it in a huge number. This we call it as an angle seat valve. What is the usage of this product? You can see generally this is the normal valve, and this is the angle seat valve. What's the difference between the two is that here you can see it is straight. The air enters here and it goes straight. But here you can see it has been seated angrily. So what is the advantage of this? Generally when air hits the spool directly, the hammering happens. So it hits directly, and over the continuous applying of pressure, it gets weak. Because of this principle, you can see here inside, it is angle. So the impact of the air or water or steam will be reduced. This particular valve can be used in the air, water and steam. All the three you can use. So the impact which given will be reduced. So the life of the valve will be increased. This is the beauty of this product. This is called angle seat valve. Industrial Machine Tools and Technology Expo at Hosur, Wattle Hills. If you have to feel the product, just visit our stall. Raghavendra Chemical, they are one of our valuable channel partner for a year. They have their branches in Chennai and Hosur, and they are still growing. If you have further any doubts or any requirements, you can contact Raghavendra Chemical. So they can explain you technical as well as commercially. Know about our products more, you can visit www.arcam.org. This is the website you can so that you can get to know about our product. So thank you so much, and please be visit our stall and make this event successful. Thank you.